Good morning. It is September 10th at about, what time is it right now? 7:33. I am leaving a little bit late, but I'm still doing pretty good on time. I like to try to leave about an hour early before wedding, depending on the location. But I'm doing a really quick Starbucks stop on my way to Alyssa and Isaac's wedding. I'm super excited about their flowers. It's been raining all morning, but knock on wood, it looks like the weather is clearing up. So hopefully we will be all good on that. I'm really hoping we can do it outside for them because they've got a fun boho kind of style planned out. So follow along for how things go today. Okay, we are officially on the road to Alyssa and Isaac's wedding. Should be there in probably about 20 minutes or so. And we will start explaining a little bit about what's going on today and what we've got planned. Hi again, we are back at the Apple Barn and we're currently working on place settings for Alyssa and Isaac's wedding. So I'll show you what that's gonna look like in just a second. Got a full place setting today with we've got alternating colors for napkins for those farm tables up there. So we're working on that right now. Probably be the next 45 minutes or so. Smile and wave. Hey Melanie, what are you doing?
I'm setting place settings.
Great. You're so enthused.
Every time I close my close my